Stay tuned and we'll bring you along for the ride as we decorate this place and make it our own. It's gonna be really cool. Okay, one of the first things we're gonna have to do is get rid of that. One of the great things about this space is that it does have the double doors. We opened both of them up and you can feel a breeze just coming in from that door, blowing straight out. As soon as we opened it up, a little bit of the leftover trash that's on the floor, it's just starting to blow that way. So man, being in that garage without any kind of breeze, especially in Houston summers where it gets well over 100 degrees, that was kind of miserable. So this will hopefully help the printer a lot. But we're excited, guys. This whole wall right here, we're going to take whatever leftover paint we do have and just kind of pour it down. And then the wall directly behind me, we're just gonna leave it as is. There is a couple issues that I thought they would have taken care of, but we're gonna get them to fix that. That hole over there, not a big deal. It's a shop, but we're excited. You want to paint the door blue?
Well, we're not gonna have a bunch of blue here.
Okay.
And trim to the black.
That'd be cool.
Yeah. Once we're gonna paint it, we're gonna paint it, we're like,
After we paint it?
Yeah, we're gonna
After we paint the door blue?
Oh, just any of it. We're gonna go.
So we got a couple things in the mail from Amazon. Kind of help us with our new business venture. One of the things I've been wanting to get are these little bins to put job ticket holders in. We got some dry erase markers for dry erase board, but here are the little job tickets I was talking about. We kind of put a test sheet of 8.5 by 11 in it, but this will help us kind of keep a little more organized with our orders. We're going to label these bins for the different stages and everything. Screen prep, whether t-shirts have been ordered, what needs to be shipped out, you know, just kind of what stage it fits in. So that will definitely help quite a bit. And here are the other items we got in. There's our whiteboard. It's just a whiteboard. I don't think I really need to unbox that and show you guys, but we got a black and white laser printer for printing out clients' invoices, and we can print our work orders out, and it's about 129 bucks. So if you guys are in the market for a copier scanner black and white printer, we'll let you know what we think of this. Plain, shut your mouth. Plain about what you need. Looks a little, looks more Easter yellow. Wow, I'm trying to run you over. Go ahead. All right, so we're at the Home Depot getting some supplies to build a table. Okay, so I started working on the table. Just about got that finished up, but need to get some longer screws. This will be our stacking table, 8 foot long by 3 foot. And then we started painting this door. We're contemplating whether or not we're gonna paint this door as well and paint the bathroom. Who knows? We're trying to get moved in here as quick as we can. Everybody put their efforts together, and we got our CMYK color scheme going on here. So we got this wall yellow. Thinking we're gonna keep that trim white. After we took the masking tape off, we thought it looked pretty cool. Got our magenta wall, which we need to do a little touching up still. But then we got our cyan wall here. And we've made quite the mess. Let's just say that it's been a long day. And we got to print t-shirts still. Okay guys, day number 2 painting. It's Tuesday. We started off yesterday painting. We pretty much got things wrapped up. Need to do some touch up, a little edging. Need to fix the baseboards. Got to get management in here to fix a few things still. But we're pretty happy with the way things are coming out. Got this table over here built, which we're going to use for stacking. Let me turn this around real quick. So here's the little bit of leftover lumber, but pretty much used it all. Nice big, this is 8-foot long. And we got a couple other items for the bathroom. A toilet paper roll holder, towel holder. It looks like there was one there at some point, but hey, whatever. We'll just get one, install it ourselves. And we got the kids helping out.
Hi.
Apparently, they're hanging our painting tools up.
And don't be okay.
All right, let's see what you were doing.
And perfect hanging up for all your stuff.
Oh, that is
You can hang
perfect.
all your stuff if you want to, and the buckets are not enough. They're like weighing 100 pounds, so you cannot do that. And you can pick your stuff that you want, like pick it up, and then like you can paint it.
And then we can paint away.
You can only screw so you cannot lose it.
That's absolutely perfect. You did a great job.
This to paint your walls. And don't forget, if you want to call us, call Mac and Maddie.
Oh, call Mac and Maddie.
Don't forget that you have to use MikeyDesigns.com if you want to come to our shop and you get to hang out and do it with us, and we get to teach you how to do it with these without a hammer. Boom! Don't forget to use promo code Mikey Designs.
Get up and dance again. That was cute.
That's the study table, isn't it? What are y'all doing? We're getting everything all loaded up. I don't, get out of my pocket. I don't have any money for you.
No.
Got everything all broken down for the most part. Just waiting on some help. You get out of my pocket. Stop trying to, that's nothing. And my kids are trying to steal money from me.
I have the hammer of justice.
And he's got the hammer of justice. So we just need to move all the heavy stuff in. And we'll put all the small stuff in there afterwards. All right, we got everything out and all loaded up. Time to head to the shop. Let's go. It's 11 o'clock, dropping this U-Haul off, and I gotta go back to the shop so I can hook up our alarm system, because we do have our stuff in there now and I want to make sure it's secure. So let's drop this truck off real quick and then go to the shop, set up an alarm. Okay, so we're doing a little test run of the filtration system that I came up with here. So instead of doing the bucket on the outside, I decided to put it on the inside of it. And you can see all the sediment and crap just from the washout booth itself. So there's the heat trap. It's on a little downward slope. Got my tubing going from the pump out through the wall. Needs a little minor adjustment because, man, this thing was getting pretty damn full. Let me scoot this out of the way. Oh shit, caught on something. Edge of this thing it overflows. And then here's the pump. We let it just about completely fill up to begin with. I think I'm gonna put a piece of foam underneath it or something so it activates a little sooner. Watch how quick it sucks this water out. That's badass. Works great. I actually had to take the water hose from over there, open this bad boy up, and I hosed the whole thing down on the inside because there's a lot of sawdust, and doing these screens is like painting a car. There can't be any dust on them. So I hosed it down, tipped it out that door over there. Shannon helped me, dried it down real good, and then I washed out 20 screens. earlier today. They sat in there for a few hours and got nice and dry. Just coated a bunch of screens. I put the little locks up here. Seems to work just great, but you can see the coated screens. All this side is coated. The top ones don't have anything on them. They're just extra screens for whenever we need them. Got the fan kicking. It's nice and dust free. And then I got this thing all nice and figured out. I had to put a little piece of foam underneath that float. Now I'm just making it bubble up, which is kind of pointless because now you can't really see the water level. There we go. Sucks all that doo-doo out. It's pretty awesome. So I got my phone all wet. And then this mounted up to do stuff. TV holder, drying hand cloth, got that held, and we poured paint. Oh, the landlord's gonna be pissed, or at least the maintenance guy. Whenever he does have to go back and paint this, because we poured it all over the walls, and it looked pretty awesome. I was gonna get crazier with it, but I figured they probably wouldn't like that a whole lot if we got too crazy, because we're getting paint everywhere and trying not to get it on utilities too much. There's all the shit we got to take care of. I think you saw that. Yeah, that was already hooked up. Just kind of clean things up. It's nice and shiny. Still need to clean the press. And then max it out. Keep going. Pulling the cords off the ground. We got these display racks set up. We still need to get a hanger for that one, but we got that display rack set up. This one hung up. Still a lot of shit to do, but it's getting there. Okay, we're officially doing our first order in the shop, which is very exciting, isn't it, Shannon? And so it's about 100, I mean, is it 130?
22.
Okay, so it's 122 shirts total. Here's a huge pile of maroon shirts. Anyways, it's over 100, about 120. Here's our whole little setup. Here's the front print. Client is coming to pick 30 of them up because that's the kids' shirts for the college students. Anyways, we're gonna leave that set up, print the rest of them, and we're getting pretty close to getting fully set up, but we gotta crank some orders out. We gotta get back to it. See you later.